Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my people. My people, breaking news. They say Davido don't go put money for Chioma head, my people. As I hear the news just now, the thing shocked me because nobody they not really doing big because of this Ifeanyi date, because the family of Chioma say they must come. You must put money for Chioma head before you will feel bury am for his side. Because if not, they not agree make he bury am for their side. You can't bury am for Igbo land because he never paid the bride price. Even if I see the name when the pikin they bear na Ifeanyi, they even they bear Davido name, because na so that they do am for Igbo land for their own tradition, the Chioma tradition. You must first pay the bride price first before anything. So they say they not bury the son for the Davido side, they'll bury him for Igbo land. So because of that one, Chioma, Davido don't go pay the bride price now of Chioma. So now the latest news we will just see here now, my people. As I hear the news, the video not there, but this one are real news, like not be saying I'm fake. Yeah, I hear them for the direct source. Not be say maybe na fake rumor. No, not be say I want just create content. This one are truth. Video not there. You understand? I know everything where they happen to them now. Even with the name alone, you go know say. Even with the name alone, self, you will know say the family self they really get tradition way. Because they not even agree make the video even give her name. Now she give her name, Ifeanyi. You see, huh? So now he don't go put the money now so that made the fee bury the boy for the video side. You understand? So now the latest news when I hear, because number one, I don't make me for what came me. I did look that woman like could have Chris. Maybe that priest the way it go that time. The thing don't enter his head. For all those year video way they do it, they say Chioma if I not die, if I there alive. If I go there alive, they go the right RIP for picture. That woman, he head not correct. So not don't come up for that woman head. Now not they see the way she did do. So not don't come up for your head. That craze, that praise the way it go. It don't enter Kemi head. More than no manner. The latest news now, they tell you now so Davido don't go pay Chioma bride price. He don't pay him, yeah. So that made the fee bury Ifeanyi for his side. You understand? Because if not, they will bury him for Igbo land. So now the latest news when I hear today, now to make I give una update. I need to know what they happen now. Thank you, my people. I put the video where Kemi. Wake me to talk, my people. Make una see here. So when I share the video, let the video go viral.
Hey, way, my people, make una come hear update from Mama Kemi. What you know they call her? I don't know what you know they call her. Mama Kemi. When I never hear this one. According to Mama Kemi, she said Davido lawyer call her this afternoon. Tell her say Ifeanyi is alive. Not be me they talk am, they see her there. I attach her in case of the one way you not get her. When they say rest for the matter, you dey any which you are. I call you here. Did I invite you? Your mate they work. Go and work. Now my work I they do so. Go and work. Concentrate on your own work. Rest, you rest. Before they drop updates, you don't listen. Rest for the matter. You don't rest. Go leave my page, eh? So according to Mama Kemi, journalist Kemi, I don't know what they call him. She said, lawyer call him this afternoon, yesterday. Say Ifeanyi is alive. Say if not true, say Ifeanyi they are alive. Davido and Chioma should be arrested. My people, if I say this woman, You won't come too much. More than no verse, madam, no verse. Too much of everything is not good. No matter what you get with Davido. Update where they get now, your mouth will they get, and God will bless you. Now I work you, they give us works too. God bless you. But the way you take care of Davido matter for how many years, madam? It's too much. Okay? If not true, they tell us. Fine, say you they give us updates, you they give us content. Now God will bless you, madam. But if not be true, say you just they do all those ones for just because say you get kasala with Mama Davido or Davido, it's not right. It's not right, madam. Okay? I mean not buy. It's not right. Okay, because the way you carry Davido matter, Davido fans not gonna stop you. Davido is coming for me, it's coming for me. I love. It's coming for me, it's coming for me. Why Davido not come for you? You know what? When I tell her, may you go for this woman. May you for stop to they talk about Davido the way they yeye for media. I my Davido mama, they take before it buy. Davido papa, they do this, they do that. When I'm not telling me stop now my page, you know, call the leave your comment. What's so who? What's so who? So my people, my amebo people, when you love amebo, when you love my updates, now God go bless you now. This woman say, she hear from the right source say, Davido pikin they alive. Say Davido, they use the pikin they trade for social media. Say if not true, they find out, may they arrest Davido. What be your opinion for this matter? For me, if not true, say Davido pikin really dey, and Davido no say a pikin dey, he not talk. For one side, he not good, but for the other side, he get reasons because the pikin he fall for some people. Fine, maybe he done that treatment, maybe make him not talk. You know, say something like that. If you talk, enemy will come put hand join him. Say he not talk. I don't get what I won't really talk, but for me, if the pikin not there, he not go talk, say nothing happen to a pikin. I don't know what I want to talk because as if he tell life, congratulations. If he not there, say he not made they arrest him. I'm not in support. I'm not in support because he get reason. The reason when he get be say why I support and say he get reason. Now he get why he not talk. But if he not talk, now that one me day after say Davido not tell us say he pikin that one me not happy. Say the pikin for some people he get treatment. When I expect I make come tell when I say he get treatment, me wanna go put hands. Join them. They don't need to arrest him because now a choice. He get reasons for him not to talk about him, which he did the right thing. Say the pikin he not talk. That one, if they talk him, say he not respect his fans, he not respect people or anything. I go still hear that one. Say make they arrest him because say a pikin not buy. He not come out to clear the air. Say he pikin not buy. They don't need to because we know as our country be. Okay, we know as a Pongo be. Say she not come out, don't talk. If the pikin not buy, anytime when the pikin take it okay, he go come out, can't talk. He go come out, can't talk. But if he buy, he not talk, they talk that one. Say una dey paro for him. Okay, understandable. Say maybe they can't arrest him because say he pikin dey alive, he not can't talk, say pikin dey alive. What if he did treatments? They don't need to arrest him. Madam, I beg you in the name of God. Just forget about what you get with Davido and his mama or anything. All these things when they talk about Davido, you won't go too much. You want too much, madam. Please, still act like woman. I know say now your work, oh, you are a journalist. You get right to blog everything where you want blog. Now I make come and not still get right like that to tell you, may you stop the way my yeye comments are not going to tell me, say me arrest. You okay? So, but take it easy. If not because of the kasala when it take grand, just rest. If now your work, continue your work. Okay? One love, keep us together. My people will not like me. Nobody get right for social media to tell person what to say and what not to say. Just that say, maybe not the add salt, add maggi, add everything. They join them. Now I be waiting when I go talk. So now they tell people may not talk. Who go on boo? What soon? If they feel me, one love, keep us together. Please share this video and follow my page. Thumbs up. Bye bye for now.